What important deadlines or statute of limitations do I need to be aware of when it comes to filing a trucking accident personal injury claim in California? Attorney John Rosenberg explains. The most important deadline that one should be aware of is the statute of limitations for bodily injury in California, which is 2 years. You have 2 years from the date of the collision to either file a lawsuit or settle your claim. If you do neither, 2 years and 1 day after the collision, your right to make any claim is gone. If you cannot settle your case within 2 years, make sure a lawsuit is on file. For a property damage claim, the statute of limitations is 3 years. If you are dealing with a government entity who owns the truck or employs the driver, in California you have 6 months from the date of the collision to file a government claim. Ignorance of these deadlines is not an excuse for missing them. Missing an important deadline can and usually will destroy your case and take away your right to compensation. That is one of the most important reasons for retaining an experienced attorney after a collision. Delays in deciding what to do, seeking medical care, documenting your injury, opens a huge door for a defendant or insurance company to challenge the legitimacy of your claim, degrades your ability to prove your case, and gives the responsible trucking company and its insurer an opportunity to minimize your claim and significantly reduce the compensation you deserve. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.